What's going on, guys? Mike with Off-Road Family Adventures. This video here, I'm going to leave it up to you guys if you want to watch the rest of this video after this announcement on the different product videos, because we're out on the water on the Switch, on the skis, and it shows everything, and it even shows the Insta360 camera mounted on the mount back here. I'm an idiot, guys. I had 360 video. I can't show you because I lost the camera. I just bought this camera to show this mount and to show you guys how it performs. And we decided after the day of running to chase the mangroves. Well, this low bridge, I'll show you a little clip right here. Low bridge, I ducked, I forgot to put the camera down. So to answer everybody's question about how strong this mount is, guys, this is what's left, literally what's left of the Insta360 pole. The pole broke, the mount is absolutely perfect, untouched, not cracked. This is sturdy. It's not going anywhere, guys. I had this on the ski. I was hitting upwards of 55 miles per hour. Not full speed, but I was going pretty good. The mount's safe, guys. It's not going anywhere. Your camera is protected. Don't do something like I did and duck underneath a concrete bridge. The camera's not going to survive. But the mount did. The mount is perfectly good to use again once I order another camera. But anyway, here's the rest of the video if you choose to watch. If not, at least peace of mind knowing that this mount, it's not going anywhere, guys. It's completely safe, watertight. Your camera's not going anywhere unless you hit a bridge. Here's the rest of the video, guys.
Just take one.
So out here on the water, we've got the skis, we got the Switch, and new video, 360 video. Check this out. Now that video is coming off of my flagpole mount. So it's the same mount that you use the GoPro mount with if you're not carrying cooler attachments, or you can go a little bit cheaper and just buy the flagpole mount. Leave the links in the description. But that way there, if you've got an Insta360 camera or anything, even a GoPro with a selfie stick, the selfie stick's going to go in there and it's going to be just fine while you're riding. A lot of people are commenting on this saying it's going to break and so on. They don't understand how these are made because they actually go down inside the hull. It's not going anywhere, guys. And the only thing you're going to probably get off of this is maybe some, when you turn the thumb screw in, you're going to get some scratches on your selfie stick. If you're worried about scratches on your selfie stick, do something else. Plain and simple. I'm not worried about scratches on my selfie stick. I'm worried about the footage that I'm going to get on my jet ski. So links for all that will be in the description. Yeah, out here on the Switch, friends, family, having a good time, showing some products, and check the website out. Here we are. So you can see I'm about to put this in there. It's down in there. This far of that stick is down inside that mount. So for anyone that thinks that that mount is going to snap, that is just not going to happen. This is more secure than your handlebar mounts and everything else that you can purchase. This is not going anywhere. So this mount is sturdy. I would be more worried about the actual selfie stick breaking than I would this mount.